welcome back to Lollipop Girl 18. So, you have been watching my squishy package by Rachel, and I put it all inside my squishy boxes. So I want to say thank you to Rachel. Now I'm going to opening this squishy package by Jumbo Queen, and it's from Malaysia. So it says, please wait, okay, record a video please. So which I'm doing it right now. So it says from Jumbo Queen and to Lollipop Girl 18, and it got this tofu squishy actually, but I don't buy it. So it's super cute, it's like kawaii, and I love this tofu, but I won't buy because my mom don't like the tofu. So it says do not squish this. Okay, I will not squish this. So sorry, I'm really bad I'm really sick today. So let's just open it. So excited, so excited. So let's take out the notes first. Okay, here's the note, and it says University Technology Malaysia. So Malaysia. So yeah. So let's open it. Oh, it's super hard. Is it okay? So thank you for this. I will keep this. Keep this. Okay. So here I got the note, so I will read it. So it's very long, but yeah, I will. Yeah. Hi Lollipop Girl 18. I say hi again. So thank you very much for buying our squishy. Welcome. I have some extra for you. Okay, thank you very much. I will take it now. It's extra. Here is the extra. Okay, here. It's really cute. It's like super, yeah, very cute. It's like my fit on my hand, and it's very extra. Thank you for this. Okay, I'm not squishing this. So yeah. It says, hope you enjoy the squishies. I will enjoy the squishies. And it says Malay challenge, and please speak in Malay. So I will speak in Malay at the last of the video. So yeah. So let's take out the squishy. Here I got dice. So it's not in original package, but it says sorry, it's not in original plastic. Oh, she said plastic. But this is true dice. I will show you how to play this true dice at another video. So I got a lot more video to do today. So first thing, I pull out this pink bun with the light chocolate with it. Oh, it's really soft. Then wait, where's my other one? Okay, here. It's like this one is the hot chocolate and this one is light chocolate, and it's got more squishier. I will be experimenting this. So yeah, thank you very much for this. Sorry. Here I got yellow pineapple. It's really squishy. Oh my goodness, it's really squishy. I love this. Sorry. And here I got the girl one. I mean the pink panda band with the bow. It's really squishy. Oh, thank you very much. Okay, this is the last item, I think so. Yeah, it's the last item. which is I buy this defected, super defected, like defects on that, and everywhere that and pill up there, but I don't care. It's super squishy, and I asked my mom if she wants this. So yeah, it smells like, oh, very nice. It's like a new car smell. Ooh, very nice. I loved it. I love it. Ah, I love the smell of it. Thank you for that. So I will keep this because you are from Malaysia. You are from Malaysia. Jumbo Queen is from Malaysia. Malaysia. So let's open up the extra. It's super cute. I really like. I don't want to open it. It's like super cute. For me, it's too tiny. Okay, let's slowly open it. Oh. How to open it faster? It's kind of super hard. Okay, so I got, oh, this Hello Kitty eraser, and it's pink one. I already got the yellow one. It's really squishy. Yeah, I mean, it's really nice and cute. Next I got, oh, this blue one with the red bow. I will keep it. So here is the last one for the extra. Thank you very much. It's super cute. Okay, I got this one. I got all the collection of this. Where is it? It's super easy to get lost. I got all the collection right now. So I got yellow, very squishy, blue, not so squishy, wow, pink, really squishy, and another pink, not so squishy, the pink, another one, pink, kind of squishy. So that is from Jumbo Queen. Thank you very much. So I will accept it. I accept this squishy, Malay challenge. So I nominate everyone to play this Malay challenge, which I will write down below. I nominate category, eye color 500, purple banana 25, sweet ninja, I think so. So yeah, let's just read Malay challenge. It says, please speak in Malay. Saya BELI SQUISHY DARI Jumbo Queen. Saya suka sangat. Jangan lupa tengok video dia. Wow, it's super easy to speak in Malay. For me, it's super easy. So just try to speak in Malay. Speak in Malay. So guys, thanks for watching my video, and I will show you how to play Show Dice for my next video. So yeah, bye.